हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय इंजीनियरिंग आईक्यू चैनल। आज हम स्टडी करेंगे फर्टिलाइजर टेक्नोलॉजी के 50 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। एवरी क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एनएफएल एंड केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग। आई होप लाइक यू माय वीडियो। नाउ स्टार्ट।
First question, urea is represented as option A NH2CONH2, option B NH3COCH3, option C NHCO2NH, option D NH3CO2NH3. Option A is correct answer, NH2CONH2. Option A. Question number 2. Commercially fertilizer are available mostly in the form of option A powder form, option B granulous form, option C lumps form, option D flax. Option B is correct answer, granulous form, because जो फर्टिलाइज़र होते हैं वो दानेदार फॉर्म में होते हैं। आपने यूरिया देखा होगा। ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, अमोनिया सिंथेसिस गैस इज प्रोड्यूस फ्रॉम नेचुरल गैस बाय ऑप्शन ए थर्मल क्रैकिंग, ऑप्शन बी स्टीम रिफॉर्मिंग, ऑप्शन सी पार्शियली ऑक्सीडेशन, ऑप्शन डी हाइड्रोजनेशन। ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट आंसर, स्टीम रिफॉर्मिंग। अमोनिया सिंथेसिस गैस इज प्रोड्यूस फ्रॉम नेचुरल गैस बाय स्टीम रिफॉर्मिंग। बी इज करेक्ट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, catalyst used in the manufacturing of ammonia NH3 by Haber process is option A nickel, option B iron, option C vanadium pentoxide, option D alumina. Option B is correct answer, iron. Catalyst used in the manufacturing of ammonia by Haber process is iron. Option B is correct answer. Question number 5, red phosphorus is changed into white phosphorus by option A heating in presence of light, option B melting under pressure, option C vaporization followed by condensation, option D none of these. Option C is correct answer, vaporization followed by condensation. Red phosphorus is changed into white phosphorus by vaporization followed by condensation. C is correct answer. Next question, question number 6, reaction of anhydrous liquid ammonia with orthophosphoric acid produce option A ammonium phosphate, option B superphosphate, option C triple superphosphate, option D none of these. Option A is correct answer, ammonium phosphate. Reaction of anhydrous liquid ammonia with orthophosphoric acid produce ammonium phosphate. Option A is correct answer. Next question, question number 7, two gas based fertilizer plant are located in option A Maharashtra and Gujarat, option B Maharashtra and Orissa, option C Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, option D Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. Option A is correct answer, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Two gas based fertilizer plant are located in Maharashtra and Gujarat is correct answer. Next question, question number 8, fertilizer plant get their N2 requirements. Option A by fractionation of liquefied air, option B by dissociating oxide of nitrogen, option C from coal gas means coke oven gases, option D from producer gases. Option A is correct answer, by fractionation of liquefied air. Fertilizer plant get their N2 requirements by fractionation of liquefied air. A option is correct answer. Next question, question number 9, during the conversion of ammonium carbonate into urea, presence of large assays of water. Option A increasing the yield of urea, option B adversely affect the yield of urea, option C reduces the evaporator load diluting the urea solution, option D does not affect the yield of urea. Option B is correct answer, adversely affect the yield of urea. During the conversion of ammonium carbonate into urea, presence of large assays of water adversely affect the yield of urea. B is correct answer. Next question, question number 10th, hydrogen content of coke oven gas is percent. Option A 4%, option B 22%, option C 58%, Option D 84%. फर्स्टली आई टेल अबाउट कोक ओवन गैसेज कितनी कितनी परसेंटेज कंटेंट करती हैं. हाइड्रोजन 60% एंड मीथेन 25% एंड कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड 6% एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड 2%. All content presence in the coke oven gases approximately. So C is correct answer 58%. Hydrogen content of coke oven gases is 58%. C is correct answer. Next question number 11th. Ammonium nitrate is coated with limestone powder. Option A, increasing its nitrogen content. Option B, cut down its production cost. Option C, avoid the risk of explosion. Option D, add extra nutrients as fertilizer. Option C is correct answer, avoid the risk of explosion. Ammonium nitrate is coated with limestone powder to avoid the risk of explosion. C is correct answer. Next question number 12th. Action of phosphoric acid on rock phosphate produces. Option A, superphosphate. Option B, triple superphosphate. Option C, nitrophosphate. Option D, diammonium phosphate. Option B is correct answer, triple superphosphate. Action of phosphoric acid on rock phosphate produces triple superphosphate. B is correct answer. Next question number 13. Reaction of dilute sulfuric acid with phosphate rock produces. Option A, phosphoric acid. Option B, superphosphate. Option C, triple superphosphate. Option D, gypsum. Option B is correct answer, superphosphate. Reaction of phosphatic rock with dilute sulfuric acid is produces superphosphate. B is correct answer. Next question number 14. Base suspension fertilizer essentially contains. Option A, 13% nitrogen and 43% phosphorus pentaoxide. Option B, 43% nitrogen and 13% phosphorus pentaoxide. Option C, 43% nitrogen and 13% potassium oxide. Option D, 43% potassium oxide and 43% phosphorus pentaoxide. Option A is correct answer, 13% nitrogen and 43% phosphorus pentaoxide. Option A is correct answer. Next question number 15. Liquid ammonia is not used such as a fertilizer in a tropical countries like India because. Option A, its N2 content is very low. Option B, it is very costly. Option C, it will evaporate on spraying. Option D, it is not available. Option C is correct answer, it will evaporate on spraying. Liquid ammonia is not used such as a fertilizer in a tropical countries like India because it will evaporate on spraying. C is correct answer. Next question number 16. Which of the following does not come under the category of secondary nutrients for calcium? Option B, magnesium. Option C, sulfur. Option D, oxygen. Firstly, I tell secondary nutrients: iron, calcium, copper, zinc, magnesium, sulfur, molybdenum, boron. These are the secondary nutrients. So D is correct answer, oxygen. Oxygen does not come under the category of secondary nutrients for plant growth. So D is correct answer, oxygen. Next question number 17. CH3C6H4 bracket close 3 PO4 is the chemical formula of triple superphosphate. Option B, triglyceryl phosphate. Option C, fluoropytite. Option D, superphosphate. Option B is correct answer, triglyceryl phosphate is correct answer. These are the chemical formula of triglyceryl phosphate. Next question, question number 18. Urea is a blank fertilizer. Option A, nitrogenous. Option B, potassic. Option C, phosphatic. Option D, none of these. Option A is correct answer, nitrogenous. Urea is a nitrogenous fertilizer. So A option is correct answer, nitrogenous. Next question is 19. Most suitable fertilizer for paddy. Option A, CAN, means calcium ammonium nitrate. Option B, ammonium sulfate. Option C, option D, superphosphate. Option B is correct answer, ammonium sulfate. Most suitable fertilizer for paddy is ammonium sulfate. So B is correct answer, ammonium sulfate. Next question, question number 20. Ammonium sulfate fertilizer is option A, highest concentration nitrogenous fertilizer. Option B, the best fertilizer for paddy. Option C, a basic fertilizer. Option D, a natural fertilizer. Option B is the correct answer, the best fertilizer for paddy. The ammonium sulfate fertilizer is the best fertilizer for paddy. So B is correct answer. Next question, question number 21. Lower temperature and larger acids of ammonia in a urea melt. Option A, increases burette formation. Option B, decreases burette formation. Option C is undesirable. Option D does not affect burette formation. B is correct answer, decreases burette formation. Lower temperature and larger acids of ammonia in a urea melt decreases burette formation. B is correct answer. Next question, question number 22. Superphosphate is manufactured by reacting phosphate rock with option A, acetic acid. Option B, sulfuric acid. Option C, aluminum chloride. Option D, none of these. Option B is correct answer, sulfuric acid. Reacting sulfuric acid then mixes superphosphate. So B is correct answer, sulfuric acid. Next question, question number 23. Calcium ammonium nitrate fertilizer. Option A, nitrate nitrogen is quick acting. Option B, ammoniacal nitrogen is quick acting. Option C, nitrate nitrogen is slower acting. Option D, A is correct answer, nitrate is quick acting in calcium ammonium nitrate. A is correct answer. Next question, question number 24. H3PO4 is the chemical formula of blanks phosphoric acid. Option A, pyrophosphoric acid. Option B, orthophosphoric acid. Option C, metaphosphoric acid. Option D, none of these. Option B is correct answer, orthophosphoric acid is the chemical formula of H3PO4. So B is correct answer, orthophosphoric acid. Next question, question number 25. Heating of orthophosphoric acid to 250 degrees Celsius produce option A, metaphosphoric acid. Option B, pyrophosphoric acid. Option C, no change in it. Option D, none of these. Option B is correct answer, pyrophosphoric acid. Heating of orthophosphoric acid to 250 degrees Celsius produce pyrophosphoric acid. So B is correct answer. Next question, question number 26. Peeling tower is found in the flow sheet for the manufacturing of option A, ammonia. Option B, urea. Option C, superphosphate. Option D, triple superphosphate. Option B is correct answer, urea. Peeling tower is found in the flow sheet for the manufacturing of urea. So B is correct answer. Next question, question number 27. U is formed only option A, in the liquid phase. Option B, in the vapor phase. Option C, at very high temperature. Option D, at very low pressure. Option A is correct answer, in the liquid phase. Urea is formed only in the liquid phase. So A is correct answer. 28. Dehydration of ammonium carbonate is a blank reaction. Option A, reversible reaction. Option B, catalytic reaction. Option C, exothermic reaction. Option D, endothermic reaction. Dehydration. Dehydration means water का remove करना. So D is correct answer, endothermic reaction. Dehydration of ammonium carbonate is a endothermic reaction. D is correct answer. Next question, question number 29. Ammonium sulfate can be produced by the reacting of gypsum with option A, ammonia, option B, ammonium carbonate, option C, nitric acid, option D, none of these. Option B is correct answer, ammonium carbonate. Ammonium sulfate can be produced by the reacting of gypsum with ammonium carbonate. B is correct answer. Next question, question number 30. Catalyst used in Hyper process for ammonia production is option A, reduced iron oxide, option B, nickel, option C, vanadium pentoxide, option D, silica gel. Option A is correct answer, reduced iron oxide. Catalyst used in Hyper process for ammonia production is reduced iron oxide. A is correct answer. Next question, question number 31. Sodium tripolyphosphate is manufactured by reaction of phosphoric acid with sodium blanks. Option A, carbonate. Option B, phosphate. Option C, bicarbonate. Option D, silicate. Option A is correct answer, carbonate. Sodium tripolyphosphate is manufactured by reaction of phosphoric acid with sodium carbonate. A is correct answer. Next question, question number 32. Which fertilizer is made using coke oven gas in byproduct plant of an integrated steel plant? Option A, urea. Option B, CAN. CAN means calcium ammonium nitrate. Option C, ammonium sulfate. Option D, superphosphate. Option C is correct answer, ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate is fertilizer made using in byproduct plant of an integrated steel plant. Option C is correct answer. Next question, question number 33. Ammonium phosphate is a blank fertilizer. Option A, nitrogenous fertilizer. Option B, phosphatic fertilizer. Option C, complex fertilizer. Option D, mixed fertilizer. Option D is correct answer, mixed fertilizer. Ammonium phosphate is a mixed fertilizer. Option D is correct answer. Next question, question number 34. Maximum stability of white phosphorus is at option A, very high pressure. Option B, atmospheric pressure. Option C, room temperature. Option D, greater than 600 degrees Celsius. Option D is correct answer, 600 degrees Celsius maximum stability of white phosphorus. Next question, question number 35. Potassic fertilizers do not promote the development of option A, stem and leaves during early stage of plant growth. Option B, stages of potassium and grains. Option C, sugars of fruits and vegetables. Option D, fibers materials of plants. Option A is correct answer, stems and leaves during early stage of plant growth. Potassic fertilizers do not promote the development of stem and leaves during the early stage of plant growth. Option A is correct answer. Next question, question number 36. The optimum size of the ammonia plant is blank ton per day. Option A, 10 tons per day. Option B, 100 ton per day. Option C, 1000 ton per day. Option D, 10,000 ton per day. Option C is correct answer, 1000 ton per day. The optimum size of the ammonia plant is 1000 ton per day. Option C is correct answer. Next question, question number 37. The main component of bone ash is option A, calcium sulfate. Option B, calcium phosphate. Option C, calcium carbonate. Option D, sodium phosphate. Option B is correct answer, calcium phosphate. The main component of bone ash is calcium phosphate. Option B is correct answer. Next question, question number 38. The essential ingredient of all the synthesis gas is option A hydrogen, option B oxygen, option C carbon dioxide, option D nitrogen. Option A is correct answer, hydrogen. The essential ingredient of all the synthesis gas is hydrogen. Option A is correct answer. Next question, question number 39. A fertilizer contains 82% nitrogen. It could be option A urea, option B liquid ammonia, option C ammonium nitrate, option D none of these. Option B is correct answer, liquid ammonia, because fertilizer contains 82% nitrogen. It could be liquid ammonia. B is correct answer, liquid ammonia. Next question, question number 40. Heating of orthophosphoric acid to about 900 degrees Celsius to produce option A metaphosphoric acid, option B pyrophosphoric acid, option C no change in it, option D none of these. Option A is correct answer, metaphosphoric acid, because heating of orthophosphoric acid is about 900 degrees Celsius produce metaphosphoric acid. A is correct answer. Next question, question number 41. Both white phosphorus as well as red phosphorus, option A are soluble in carbon disulfide, option B burns when heated in air, option C reacts with hot caustic soda solution to give phosphine, option D all. Option B is correct answer, burns when heated in air, because both white phosphorus and red phosphorus are burns when heated in air. Option B is correct answer. Next question, question number 42. Catalyst used in steam reforming of naphtha is option A nickel, option B platinum, option C silica gel, option D rhodium. Option A is correct answer, nickel, because catalyst used in steam reforming of naphtha is nickel. Option A is correct answer. Next question, question number 43. Monte-Cassini process is used for the manufacturing of option A nitric acid, option B phosphoric acid, option C urea, option D calcium ammonium nitrate. Option C is correct answer, urea, because Monte-Cassini process is used for the manufacturing urea. C is correct answer. Next question, question number 44. Phosphatic fertilizers are option A are useful during early stage of the plant growth, option B accelerate fruit formation in later stage of the growth, option C lessen the effect of excessive nitrogen application, option D none of these. Option B is correct answer, accelerate fruit formation in later stage of growth, because phosphatic fertilizers are accelerate fruit formation in stage of growth. Option B is correct answer. Next question, question number 45. Naphtha in a fertilizer plant is used as a source of option A fuel, option B hydrogen, option C nitrogen, option D oxygen. Option B is correct answer, hydrogen, because naphtha in a fertilizer plant is used as a source of hydrogen. B is correct answer. Next question, question number 46. Maximum nitrogen percentage is in option A maximum sulfate, option B calcium ammonium nitrate, option C urea, option D liquid ammonia. Option D is correct answer, liquid ammonia, because maximum nitrogen percentage is in the liquid ammonia, क्योंकि because 82% यूरिया में 46% होता है, so liquid ammonia is the maximum nitrogen percentage in. Next question, question number 47. Nitrogen content in a ammonium sulfate as a fertilizer is around blanks percent. Option A 5%, option B 20%, option C 50%, option D 65%. Option B is correct answer, 20%, because nitrogen content in a ammonium sulfate is around 20%. B is correct answer. Next question, question number 48. Largest capacity nitrogenous fertilizer plants in India are located at. Option A, Thal West in RCF in महाराष्ट्र में है एंड हज़ारिया अंडर इफ़को के इन गुजरात में. ऑप्शन बी, तालचार जो कि उड़ीसा में है एंड रामगढ़नम इन आंध्र प्रदेश में एंड बोथ FCI के अंडर. ऑप्शन सी, कोरबा मध्य प्रदेश एंड चार उड़ीसा एंड बोथ FCI. ऑप्शन डी, हल्दिया वेस्ट बंगाल में है एंड मेमरूप असम में है बोथ HFC. ऑप्शन ए इज़ करेक्ट आंसर, थाल वेस्ट अंडर RCF इन महाराष्ट्र एंड हज़ारिया अंडर इफ़को इन गुजरात. आपने खाद के कट्टों पर देखा होगा इफ़को. सो दिस इज़ द ऑप्शन ए इज़ करेक्ट आंसर. लार्जेस्ट कैपेसिटी नाइट्रोजीनियस फर्टिलाइजर प्लांट्स इन इंडिया आर लोकेटेड थाल वेस्ट अंडर RCF एंड हज़ारिया इन गुजरात में है. सो ए ऑप्शन इज़ करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 49. नाइट्रोजन कंटेंट ऑफ यूरिया इज़ अबाउट ब्लैंक्स परसेंट. ऑप्शन ए 10%, ऑप्शन बी 46%, ऑप्शन सी 80%, ऑप्शन डी 94%. ऑप्शन बी इज़ करेक्ट आंसर 46% because nitrogen content of urea is about 46%. So B is correct answer. Next question, question number 50. Triple superphosphate is made by reacting superphosphate rock with blanks acid. Option A, phosphoric acid. Option B, nitric acid. Option C, sulfuric acid. Option D, hydrochloric acid. Option A is correct answer, phosphoric acid, because triple superphosphate is made by reacting phosphatic rock with phosphoric acid, and single superphosphate is made by reacting with sulfuric acid with phosphatic rock. So A option is correct answer, phosphoric acid.